Look at these two people. Same age, but one looks like he's 35. The other looks 50. No surgery, no creams. Same genetics. So what's the difference? It's not what you think. Here's what most people guess. Wrinkles? Wrong. Skincare routine? Wrong. Genetics? Still wrong. The real answer is something your body is doing right now every single day, and most people never notice it until it's too late. By the end of this video, I'll show you the one physical signal that predicts how old you actually are better than any mirror ever could, and I'll tell you exactly how to reverse it. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Aging doesn't start when your hair turns gray. It doesn't start when wrinkles appear. It starts the moment your body stops moving the way it was built to move. Watch any child. They run without thinking, jump without hesitation, climb without fear. Their body is constantly sending one signal. I am alive. I am capable. I am young. Now watch most adults after 30. They sit for 8 hours, drive everywhere, take the elevator, avoid the stairs, and slowly, without realizing it, their body starts sending a completely different signal. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people trying to look younger go straight for the outside. Expensive creams, anti-aging serums, treatments that cost thousands. But none of that fixes the real problem. Because the single fastest thing that ages your appearance isn't your skin, it's your posture. The moment your head pushes forward even just 2 inches, your body instantly looks older, heavier, tired, and defeated. Your muscles fight that position every second, and over time you look and feel years older than you actually are. But posture is just the surface, because posture is a symptom. The real problem is something deeper. Ready for the reveal? Here it is. Researchers have found that one measurement predicts healthy aging better than almost anything else. Not your weight, not your cholesterol, not even your resting heart rate. It's your walking speed. That's right. How fast you naturally walk when nobody's watching and you're not trying tells scientists an enormous amount about your overall health, muscle strength, brain function, and how well your body is aging. People who walk slower tend to face greater health risks, while people who walk faster often stay stronger, healthier, and more independent as they age. Walking requires everything: leg strength, core stability, balance, lung capacity, and coordination between your brain and your body. When any of those systems begin to decline, your walk is often one of the first things to change. So here's your reality check. Two people, same age, same genetics, but one never stopped moving. The other slowly, quietly did. 10 years later, they don't look the same anymore. And the difference had nothing to do with a cream. It had everything to do with a choice. Here's what you do starting today. Walk every single day for at least 20 minutes and keep a brisk pace. Fix your posture. Keep your ears over your shoulders, your chin slightly down, and your chest open. Build strength and stay active. Move like your youth depends on it, because it does. Aging is coming for everyone, but looking and moving old long before your time is not inevitable. That's a choice. And now you know how to make a different one. If this hit different, comment, move below, and save this video, because one day you may need this reminder more than you think.